Yeah, rolling. I'ma off his ass out in broad day, pull, pop it, and buck the chrome. At the trial, I'ma tell my lawyer to be R. Kelly and say, I don't see nothing wrong. Nigga better talk to me like he wanna live before the burner clap. Cause once it's up, it get hot for you. Bitch, you beefing with a thermostat. And you can run if you want because the stick got range, so I ain't really worried about it. And I don't got good aim, so if you stand in the crowd, I'ma point it at everybody. Hey, look, fully automatic with the titties on it, nigga. I can't even seek a settlement. The chopper go. It got a speech impediment. Dog, I'm a lethal nigga. I'm dripping ether. I defeating the deceased nigga. I'ma let the butt of this AR sit on your face. You gon' think it's Rikishi, nigga. It's about to get drastic for you. I'ma grab a strap, click clacking, and blast a 9. As soon as I stretch his ass, I'ma call the police, tell him Mr. Fantastic died. Some shit you ain't hardly seen. I'ma spark a beam, let it punch in your heart and spleen. Now we got bad blood, like mosquitoes realizing that they didn't get Charlie Sheen. I got a new 380. I'ma pop this bitch and disperse to my hands tender. Took out the original clip, put a dick at the bottom, and now it's a transgender. I get a drop on this nigga. I pull up and pop on the nigga. I let out the stock on the stick. I'm rocking it. I wipe the flow with your ass if I pull out the mop on this nigga. The Glock is a finishing move. This hoe's Vegeta. It got a vital blast. First you hear a big bang, then you see